heed the warning. Like, understand that is as real as it gets. They're not making that up.
Families whose lives changed because of COVID-19 are pleading with Ohioans to take this virus seriously. The state hit nearly 5,000 new cases today, a record. Local doctors warn there is no end in sight for this current spike.
And they say Ohio needs to double down on coronavirus precautions, especially as the weather cools and we spend more time inside. Our 5 on Your Side investigator, Joe Pakanakis, joins us live. And Joe, the families you talk to say there are faces behind these numbers.
Courtney, Rob, these families say they're extremely concerned about this current COVID-19 spike, especially as we head into the cold weather and holiday season.
That's horrible when we're talking about human beings. We're not talking about machines breaking down, Joe. We're talking about someone's loved one.
Sam Hamoud had COVID-19 in March. His 75-year-old father hospitalized with the virus in April. He says Ohio's latest record number of daily cases or any stat related to the virus shouldn't be taken lightly.
And someone will say, well, that's 1% or that's 0.1%. I mean, that's just people becoming desensitized.
Ross Vukovic of North Canton.
Well, I've never spent a night in the hospital in my life, Joe.
Battled COVID-19 in September.
My wife was terrified because I spent 6 nights in the hospital.
Ross is urging Northeast Ohioans to take greater steps to protect themselves, and he hopes he's wrong in predicting Ohio could reach yet another record-setting COVID-19 plateau.
5,000 cases in one day is real. And the fact of it is, we still don't know everything about this virus.
We can't hide from it. We can't run from it. We got to face it.
In response, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announced a new leadership structure at the Ohio Department of Health with Stephanie McLeod as its new director. The governor so far not willing to once again close down certain business sectors despite the alarming numbers.
This third surge doesn't show any sign of slowing down.
Doctors at the Cleveland Clinic confirm more testing is not the principal reason behind Ohio's record numbers.
The number of cases is up almost 300% in Ohio, whereas the number of tests is only up 44%.
And doctors at university hospitals say record case numbers are at some point a real threat to tax our hospital system.
No matter what the number is, a certain percentage of those people are going to end up in the hospital, 20%.
And a record number of hospitalizations also reported, 2,075. That's 55% higher than just 2 weeks ago. Also, 33 deaths reported today. That's significantly higher than the 21-day average of 20 deaths per day. Some sobering numbers right there.